said the theme of the baby shower was apple of my eye, and this is apple number 4. And I just love their family story. Hey, Captain Bread Hook. It's a great day for cupcakes, isn't it? Hey, Big Val, I love your hair. Well, thank you. Living my best life. We put a little bit of rice in the pans. It helps the bottoms when you make them from scratch. You two crackpots are worse than Jum mumbling in his sleep. According to my calculations, the Mixertron's output is currently deliciously unstable. Which means we are in the eye of a pastry storm, sister. First, mix all your dry ingredients, cake flour, and your top shelf apple pie spices. Teaspoon of cinnamonella, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and what? Allspice must be late for work. Kosher salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Sifting helps get out the lumps that might not soak into the batter later. Hey! I like this! Puppy, this machine is trying to mock me! Oh, shut your pie hole, Bungledorf! That pastry knows better than to touch me. Cream your unsalted butter and sugar together for 5 minutes. Scrape down your bowl in between. Don't let any stray butter bits get away. Beat in an egg. And you measure applesauce using dry measuring cups. And alternate it with the dry ingredients. This is called the creaming method, by the way. Start with the dry in thirds and end with the dry. And we love these little scoopy tools. It's okay if you don't get exactly 2 dozen. These are homemade, and it's always going to be the best version of this recipe. What? Breakfast physics! Every dang Tuesday. I swear if I had a nickel for every flying pancake in this place, I'd buy my own asteroid. We made these for Brittany and Alan's baby shower, and they are so full of love, I'm telling you. I look back in awe. Every season, every move, every prayer, every hard moment has led us here, Brittany said. Our story isn't one of perfect timing. It's a story of divine timing. Alan said, we are having our 4th daughter, and I will be a quadruple platinum certified girl dad. He said he knew he always wanted multiple kids and to be a good father. The Lord brought my wife and daughters into my life in a beautiful way I couldn't have planned, he said. You two have been at this for hours. What's the big deal with that bottle anyway? We are inventors, thinkers, tinkerers of trouble. Too smart for our own good, some say. Born on the wrong planet, raised on the wrong ideas, and absolutely obsessed with one thing. The perfect recipe! Yeah! Marina Seaflame loves this caramel-flavored seafoam frosting, but she's at an Aquaman concert. Let's crush our Aquaman. While that's cooking, separate 4 eggs and get the whites whisking away. Add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, and don't throw away the yolks. You can make creme brulee with them. Whisk them until there's fluffy clouds on top. See? That's ready. Not just baking, cosmic baking. Recipes so powerful they could warp space-time. We once created a souffle that expanded so fast it ate half our workshop. Still floating somewhere near Saturn. And a jelly bean that caused you to burst into song. Side effects included hiccups and tap dancing. You two need a hobby. We doubled the recipe to get super duper tall bakery swirls on top, but we didn't use a larger pan. Oops. Don't do that. Leave room for the bubbling and the boiling. And drizzle it in slowly to get this stream into the trough the whisk makes in the whites. Don't let it hit the whisk or you'll get sugar shards all in your frosting. And whisk this to stiff peaks too. You two need a hobby. This is our hobby, our life's work, and that bottle holds the final missing ingredient, ancient flavor magic. Once we harness that power in our new and improved Mixatron, nothing will stop us from creating the grand custard of eternity. Look how shiny and fluffy that is. She came with 2 little girls already into their marriage, and a few years later, they welcomed their 3rd. Our sweet reminder that God's plans are always better than our own, Brittany said. She brought light and laughter into our home and reminded us that love keeps growing when you nurture it. Ooh, good pointer. Smooth as silk, sweet as starlight, and powerful enough to bend the reality itself.